Yeah, so
I just had to film you carrying your bags.
you see, this is a problem. Like when you're shooting stuff, you have heavy tripods.
Yeah.
You have camera gear. You have more tripods. You have all the stuff. Look at this.
Vincent and I are here at Sub Solo in Sydney. It's a Spanish restaurant. Vincent was asked to do some photography here. So I came and met him this afternoon.
Yeah, we shot a couple of delicious dishes. Yeah, like this is a pork belly, really nice, really crispy. For the shoot today, we're using just a 5D, some speed light, and a bit of an LED for assistance. Yeah, pretty simple setup. For this shot in particular, the pork belly, we have an LED to create a rim light effect. So what it does, it makes the edges very bright, giving an even crispier look to the dish, and also the glossiness of the sauce is highlighted on that. The main light comes from the flat, which doesn't show on camera, but you can see the picture. It looks very good. Would you like a piece? So later on, we have a whole table of food to be shot top to bottom. Will look really nice. Can't wait to see the results.
Yep. So Vincent did all the work, I stood around and looked pretty.
Pretty?
No?
Ask Ari.
Yeah, I'll ask her. Please in the comments below. No.
Well, last but not least, best time of the night. Let's have some of this delicious food.
Let's eat!
Se você gostou, dá um joinha e se inscreve no canal. Até a próxima!